Hello everyone, it's Amber Frederick, and I'm going to show you something new today. I want to show you the add-on extension to Google. It's called Google Keep. First, you would like to go to www.google.com. If you're logged in, you'll see your name here. You can change your account if you'd like to. Go into the menu for Google Apps. You can go down and click More. I already had Google Keep added on to my apps, but if you click on Even More from Google, it'll bring it up. So make sure Our Products here is selected, and you want to go down into the part where it says Organize Your Stuff. You're going to click on Keep. Get started. And you can download it to your computer, get it on Google Play, get it on the App Store, use it on the web, any of those. So I'm going to use it on the web. This is Google Keep. Basically what it allows you to do is keep notes, brainstorm ideas, give yourself reminders for anything. Just to give you an idea, I have a big research paper coming up, and every now and again I reflect back to information that I've gathered, and I'm thinking of themes that I could use for my paper, but the next day I'm forgetting about what I already thought about. So, you can do something simple as just click in there, click Paper Notes, Themes, Cultural Revolution, and then whatever else you want to put in there. You can pin it and close it. And here, it'll be in your Google Keep, and you can open this up right here. Click on this. You can set a reminder. Super efficient, right? You can add a collaborator if you want someone else to share the notes with. You can change the color, make it pop out. You can add a document or picture. You can delete it. You can copy to your Google Docs. Make a copy, add a drawing, add a label, delete it again. And it works similar to your Google email. I mean, it doesn't get more simple than that. You can also do a new note with drawing. So, if you have a tablet with a stylus, this is probably the easiest way. But you can draw just as you would in paint. You can erase, start over, do colors, highlight information, draw in a grid, put down, say like loose leaf paper. It's just, I mean, it's just endless, I think. I really do think it's endless, and it's great for note keeping, especially in a college class, where you just want to put simple text and remember those things, because some things will be more important than others. And, you know, professors don't go into extreme details, but they will tell you things that you need to know, that you can go back and reference later. One more thing I want to do is create a new label, and let's see, technology. And under this technology label, you'll have, see how it says technology? You'll have your own notes. So, let's see, Google Keep. And here you have Google Keep in your technology label. And as you want to do separate labels, you can just create a new one. And this will saved in your Google files just like Google Docs. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope that you'll use Google Keep in the future.